This is the LIGHTWIN 3-in-1 Tactical Laser Light Combo. They do have some other color combos, but this one is the green and purple plus the flashlight. It is designed for a Picatinny rail. The company sent me this product so that I can check it out and make a video for it. So let's do it. It arrives safely in this nice sturdy box that you can store it in if you wanted to. Fitted styrofoam compartments to keep everything safe and secure. Inside the package, we are going to get the laser light combo itself. We have a USB charging cable because this is a rechargeable device right here on the bottom. You plug in the USB charging cable right here on the bottom. Charging takes about 2 hours. There's a low power indicator, a red light when it's below 10%, green when it's fully charged. Runtime is about 6 hours for either laser alone, about 1.5 hours for the flashlight alone, or about 55 minutes when you're running two of them at the same time. You get 3 Allen wrenches for installation and adjustments. There's an extra screw in here and an extra spring. And of course, you get the user manual. Shows you how to work this thing. Pretty easy though. The unit measures about 2 inches long, about 1.1 inches wide, and it's about 1.5 inches high. And it weighs in at about 50 grams. Pretty lightweight. It's made of an anodized aircraft grade aluminum. It feels solid and lightweight in my hand. It is IP6 waterproof, so good for all kinds of weather conditions. The bottom has a Picatinny rail mount with a screw slot for a secure installation on a 21mm wide rail. You just slide it on and tighten the screw. You've got one fixed side here, and this side's spring-loaded. When you get the screw out to a certain point, you can actually use your fingers, if you can get in there, to adjust it a little bit. It needs about 1 inch to 1.3 inches of space from the guard to the screw for a proper fit. The screw's designed to be basically invisible once it's installed, to avoid snagging on clothing or your skin. There's a windage adjustment on the side, and you can adjust that using the included Allen wrenches. Turning the screw clockwise moves the laser to the left. And there are 2 elevation adjustments on the bottom. Turning the screw clockwise moves the laser down. On the sides, you'll see the controls here. There are 4 of them. The top left button activates the green laser. The top right activates the purple laser. And either of the bottom buttons turns on the steady flashlight. If you want to activate the strobe, you just press and hold either of the light buttons for about 3 seconds, and it turns it on. Then when you turn it off, it's going to come back on at the strobe. In order to turn that off, you just press and hold the light button again for 3 seconds, and it turns it back to a steady light. The lasers are class 3A, under 5 milliwatts. The green is at 520 to 532 nanometers. The purple is at 380 to 470 nanometers. They're visible up to about 200 meters at night. Visibility is going to vary in daylight or on different surfaces, obviously. But there you go. Something like this would be great for target practice, maybe low light training sessions, airsoft games, or any nighttime or outdoor activities where you need quick illumination and aiming assistance on your compatible gear. Very nice.